This here is HiKOKI's brand new cordless brushless metal connector nailer. This is the NR1838DKA nailer. Now the 1838 stands for 18 volt and the 38mm nails that this is capable of firing up to. Now the good thing about this is it will fire any brand of twisted nails that you can find on the market, and this won't affect your warranty. Now you'll be getting a 3-year default warranty on this, but this can also be extended up to 5 years, which shows the faith that HiKOKI have in this nailer that it will be able to perform over a long period of time for you. So being a metal connector nailer, of course, you're going to want to use this for things like joist hangers, frame and anchors, loads of other things. And because it's compatible with twist nails all the way up to 38mm, there's going to be loads of applications that you can use this nailer for. So you're getting increased efficiency with this nailer. It'll fire up to 3 nails per second, which is a really good amount. And on the front here, we've got a Strap-Tite probe tip. Now this will mean that you'll get increased reliability and accuracy when you're firing nails into different types of metal connectors. So what are some other benefits you're getting with this nailer? Well, being cordless and running off of battery, this means you're not going to have to keep buying gas components. It's going to save you money in the long run, and it's also going to mean that it's going to be a lot less maintenance, and with a brushless motor anyway, you're getting much better efficiency. So it's going to be a really reliable nailer for you to have in your toolbox. Additionally, it's nice and light. So without the battery in, it's weighing just 3.4 kilograms, and with the battery, it's still going to be under 4 kilograms, or just 3.8. So if you're using this over a long period of time, you're not going to have to worry about getting really fatigued. And as well as this running off a battery, you might be worried that you're going to run out of juice in your battery and you're going to have to stop and keep recharging. That's not going to be a problem with this. You can fire up to 850 nails off of one 5-amp battery charge when you're using this, which is going to be more than enough for a day's work. And of course, you can put bigger batteries on it, so you're not just limited to the 5 amps, so you can fire even more nails if you need to. So another feature of this is that it's got a really nice bright LED light on the front to illuminate your work surface, and there are a couple of good safety features as well. So the first thing I'll mention is that it's got the switch lock system on here, so it will lock that trigger if you're not using it. Also, it's got automatic shutdown that will turn on after 30 minutes of inactivity, so if you leave it lying around on the site, first of all, it's going to save your battery, and also it's going to stop someone accidentally picking it up and setting it off. And it's also got dry fire lockout, so when you get to the final few nails, it will just cut out and stop putting any more nails in until you've reloaded it. So this is the brand new NR1838DKA from HiKOKI. So you're getting a really, really impressive nailer. It's going to be the perfect option if you're looking for a brand new metal connector nailer, and it's available now at its.co.uk.